Good morning, guys. Welcome to James T Rides. I'm John. Today I'm going to be sharing a product with you that I actually find to be extremely helpful in preventing scratches for your wheels and that kind of thing, and that's these sockets made by Titan. These are sockets you could remove the lug nuts of your wheels. Now what usually happens is you go to a tire shop, they use their tools which don't have like this protective plastic ring that goes around these sockets, and it usually not only scratches up your lug nuts, but it actually does scratch up the part of the wheel that is like right around the lug nuts itself. And that's what this is going to help prevent. These sockets have the plastic on the outside, and then they also have plastic on the inside, so you're not going to scratch the head of the lug nut either. Now, as you can see, I got two. I got a 22mm and a 19mm. The 22mm is the one that fits on my stock lug nuts on my wide body Hellcat. I had to get this because the lug nuts on my weld wheels, those are the drag racing wheels that you're going to see in a second. Alright, so for the factory wheel, which is this guy right here, you'll see right here, it fits no problem, guys. And like I said, this little plastic thing that's around the socket's gonna help protect from scratching your wheel and not cause any damage. And on the inside, that's gonna protect the face of the lug nut so you don't scratch that up either. Now for my weld wheels, it's a different size one. This is the yellow one. Same deal. Slides on, no problem. Like I said, it won't scratch this part, and it won't scratch the nice black lug nuts that I have on these wheels. Now you guys know I like to take care of my cars and that kind of thing. Now if you're not actually taking the wheels off your vehicle yourself, you guys could always just buy one of these, bring it with you to the shop that's going to do the work for you, have them use this way they don't scratch up your wheels. On my first Challenger, I already had that same exact problem where I went to a shop and the socket that they used was so thick that it actually not just scratched up my lug nut, but it actually scratched the heck out of my black wheels that I had on the first Challenger. So if you don't want any scratches, guys, this is what you want to get. These are made by Titan. These will fit on a 1/2-inch drive. You can get them in different sizes and all that. Link will be in the description below. Alright guys, hopefully you found today's video to be informative with this little tip. Go ahead, give the video a thumbs up. If it's your first time on the channel, hit that subscribe button, click the little bell icon so you can sign up for notifications, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many